Happy Easter, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. The festivity already start. I'm going to just get right into it. I'm showing you how my look setting up look and showing you what me I work with so far. So I woke up early this morning and prep everything. So this container of when me finish fry the fish. So the fish them here ready for fry. I have some crackers and bami. What me gonna put in the steamed fish. Prep the veggies for the steamed fish. So this is pumpkin, onion, thyme, scallion and okra. I have some bami right here, so I soak. The one here for fry. I have the pickle. This is what I'll be using to make the festival. Remember, I did have some leftover from the pickle, so I can use this in the steamed fish. So the banana cheese here. So right here, so now I have the oil hot. I have some garlic, thyme and pepper in it to burn, just to add some more flavor to the oil. This pot is for steaming and this pot is for the festival and the bami to fry them in. So that's how we are going with in the kitchen so far. Everything is just in place and ready to use. I did ask you in another video that what me to do with the jack, but I asked mommy and mommy said I must fry the jack. That's how we are going to do with the jack. So I make them go and fry some more in the oil and then I take them out. Not too hard, by a quint me done. Hopefully. So we take out the stuff them out of the oil. I mean, we could have made them stay in there for fry the fish, but them already burn out, already get the flavors from it. So while those are frying, I'm gonna start work on the veggies for the steamed fish. So let's just get into that. So we have some pumpkin, okra, onion, scallion and thyme. And remember we had this from the leftovers from the pickle. So we have some carrot, onion, sweet pepper and peppers. And we already washed these, so let's just get right into it. So this is the first set. So I'm going to put in one more set. We're gonna work on the steamed fish now. Never mind the dirty stove, because when you fry fish, the oil splash everywhere. So we're gonna use some butter. Alright, so we're gonna add some coconut milk to the veggies. It smells so good. I'm gonna add some cock soup.
That's so good.
Thank you. I sound like your staff or something. Oh, sure. So I don't want the noodles in it. I only want the flavor from it. So I'm gonna taste just a little bit. I don't love to taste my food while it's cooking, but just a little, this much, to see what else it needs. Gonna add some more Maggi to it. Could take a little bit more Maggi. When I put in the fish, it'll go produce a lot of liquid, but also we need it. We need all of that liquid because we're gonna put bami and crackers in it, and you know that's gonna suck up the liquid. So that's that. I could eat that alone, but we're gonna cover it for a bit, let it cook, then add in the fish and all of that. Then we're gonna work on the festival and the bami. Everything is looking good so far. Alright, so back to the steamed fish. We're adding the fish them now because I don't want the veggies them to cook out too much. Good old butterfish. I have to make space for them now. Bring the veggies them to the top and submerge the fish them in the liquid. So I'm adding the crackers. I'm not worried with the bami because the pot too small for that. I'm gonna fry bami anyways, but this is it. So I finished the steamed fish. All of the fish them finished fried. The only thing left to do is to fry the bami and fry the festival. But I have to pause a bit because the stove is too messy. Can't work with it like that. So I clean up back the stove so you know I'm not gonna get much splashing from that. So I'm gonna do that and come back. So now we're gonna work on the festival. Jason need the flour for me. Can call it semi-soon finish. Here. Meanwhile, the oil are hot. Oh, map. This is something I'm gonna put there. Guys, it's raining. Babe, close the room when the rain fall. It will start blowing. It's raining. Guys, I'm soon finishing now. So after this, I can sit and get some rest. This is one thing I'm not good at. None at all. Hence why I bought that one. Let me show you it. I used it already. And it was good. It was okay. Let me show you this one. If needed to make this from scratch, it can use a stone dog. It would have been so tough. I'm not good at frying dumpling. None at all. But we are gone. We back, Mom. I can't lose. Wow, this is beautiful. Guys, look on the tree here what that's just sent me. When I even talk to that from morning, but when I finish, we call him. One thing I can say, so far so good, thank God, because normally when me I cook something off it spoil, and so far nothing has spoiled it. Well, one of the fish did broke, but I never nothing major, and of course me eat it, but I never nothing too much. Everything tastes alright, nothing not too salt, nothing not too fresh. Well, I'm not finished yet still. Probably talk too quick. Need to taste them dumpling here. And then I start to pack to carry down. The thing is, I buy the wrong plate. I should have buy the one that I could have closed. But I buy normal plate like we. What is wrong with me? Normal plastic plate. So you know, say me have to use up a lot of foil paper, which is not a problem. But do I have so much? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna eat none of this. Well, I'm not answer that because I love the veggies cooked down in the coconut milk. But I think a fried fish, I think that with some pickle and bami. I don't really like fried dumpling after that. Unless it boil and cook down. It boil, unless it boil and then fry. That's my favorite. But if I eat it like this, I'm not really too, you know, really too fancy it. Nervous, you know. Wonder if it's a soak. That is my problem. So that's the first set. Alright guys, so everything is all done. Festival, bami, bun and cheese, the steamed fish and crackers, and the fried fish. I'm gonna put the pickle over it because I know everybody can manage the pepper there. So me I gonna make who want pickle, get pickle. You can wash it, baby. I know it's not off with me. So yeah, this is it. How is it looking?
Perfect.
Babe say food look like him dead on a Ochi. And Jason I go and wash up the dishes them. So me I go start share out. Me not even didn't know say I go eat it because me know you not like fried dumpling, you not like bami, you not like fish. I was worried actually because me I said what you go eat. Want to see?
Where you thought that eating my food?
Tastes better. Guys, so the bun here what me use today, that brand here, it tastes really good. So I'm gonna just cover up all of the food them and call it a day. I'm really tired. I just want to drop off them food here and come back in my house and lay down. Alright guys, so this is all the leftovers. Later Jason gonna have the steamed fish there, that's the butterfish. I'm gonna eat one of the fried fish later. I'm gonna eat all now. I'm not even really care for any leave-over because I just wanted everyone to experience Easter. So I'm not even gonna worry about leftovers and stuff like that. All if me share up myself, it wouldn't matter me. The food them pack and ready. Jason finish eat, Jason clean up the kitchen, and me just go back over and wipe out with some bleach, wipe out the house, and that's about it. I think I gotta end off the video right now because I really just want to sit down and rest.